Okay, so the next tool that we're going to use for passive reconnaissance is called Whois, and I call it Whois enumeration because we're using Whois to enumerate information, which means pretty much just gathering information. So Kali Linux comes with this helpful tool called Whois, and it lets you gather all kinds of information about a domain, and that includes things like who its registrar is, what their name servers are, information on if they have DNS security in place. You can figure out who the owner is, registration information, and just more things. And it's very useful. It's definitely something that you want to do like if you're on an external assessment and you're just in your information gathering stage. So let's go check it out. Okay, so when we're in Kali Linux, the first thing that you want to do is open up a terminal and then just type in Whois. You can hit enter and see all the different options. We're not going to use, a lot of these. We're really just going to use it to get a little bit of information, but you can go ahead and read over these yourself and, figure out some more of the power behind this tool because you can really gather a lot of information. But all we're going to be using it for is just to get information about a domain. So let's say we want to do a Whois on google.com. So let's see what comes up. So you do that, you just type in Whois, the domain, and then you hit enter. So let's see what we gather about google.com. So we have the domain name, domain ID, all kinds of information. Last time this information was updated, we see their registrar is Mark Monitor Inc. We have an email address for that. Let's see, we have their name servers right here, which is pretty common when you see on the internet. You'll see these a lot. Then just a lot more information. So Whois is a decent tool just to gather some like just baseline information about a domain that you might be conducting a penetration test against. It's very, very useful. So I really recommend that you use it.